Top question here is from Margaret in Maryland. Good morning, gentlemen. Keith, what have you been talking about most with institutional clients this week? I guess this week or last week. I don't know when you had the most calls, but what are the sort of topics du jour or on people's minds?
A big one is performance. Like, there is a lot going on out there underneath the hood. The hedge fund community and, well, the long-only community, obviously, is still grossly exposed so when you talk about gross invested position, to their longs. Now, hedge funds have tightened their net. They short after things go down. Consensus does. We have plenty of clients that are having an awesome year, and many of you are those clients. So well done. Up 12, 15. I saw one number the other day. I was talking to a client, didn't see it. He told me he was up 18. Long short, and he runs a pretty big book. Former Goldman guy. There's a lot of divergence, Jonesy, amongst the dispersion rather in performance is super wide. So when I have discussions, most recent discussions in the last 2 weeks have really, been congratulatory in some cases, because a lot of these hedge funds that stayed with their shorts in March really got paid in the last 3 days. So maybe a little bit too much of that, and that's probably why we're seeing, my inbox today is from the same people that just made a bunch of money. Oh, this rally's bullshit. So I'll see that. It's like, it's not really bullshit. It came from the low end of the range. Yeah. So a lot of timing questions. And the other thing that people are spending a lot of time on now, which to me was of all the easier calls, like I said, that Russell chart, one of the easier calls of my career, not easier, is the earnings slowing call. The earnings slowing call.
Yep.
That one, as you know, Jonesy, most of our institutional clients are more fundamental in their principal orientation than they are macro. So they'll use our macro as their North Star to augment their fundamental long short stock picking or fundamental long only picking.
Yep.
Like the largest growth manager in the world is a big client in as much as the largest REITs fund in the world, right? So we don't just deal with like hedge funds. Hedgeye aspires to beat hedge funds, right? And have the top tier of hedge funds as our clients. But the fundamental orientation, picking stocks, that has become more and more clients are like, wow, you're so right on this. These stocks that I like are so fucked. That's like, give me one X.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.